PDFs are great. They are widely used for sharing documents. They look the same on every computer, maintaining their format and layout. You can read them anywhere, on any device, making them super convenient. But changing a PDF? That can be tricky and often frustrating. PDFs are like pictures of your document, capturing the exact look. You see the words, but you can't easily change them, which can be a hassle. What if you need to edit that text? It can be a real challenge. That's where converting PDFs to Word documents comes in handy. It simplifies the process. Word documents are easy to change, allowing for quick edits. You can edit the text, move things around, and make it your own, with ease. Luckily, there are free ways to convert your PDFs to Word documents. Let's learn how. It's simpler than you think. You probably already use Google Docs for your everyday document needs. It's free, user-friendly, and makes creating and sharing documents online a breeze. But did you know that Google Docs can also convert your PDFs into editable documents? Here's how it works. First, open Google Drive. You might need to log in with your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Next, click on the New button and then select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Find the PDF file you want to convert from your computer and click Open to upload it. Your PDF will now be uploaded and visible in your Google Drive. Right-click on the PDF file and choose Open With, then select Google Docs from the options. Now your PDF is converted into an editable Google Docs document, and you can start editing the text right away. Google Docs will do its best to convert the PDF accurately, but sometimes the formatting might be a little off. Just go through the document and fix any formatting issues or strange-looking text to ensure everything looks perfect. Besides Google Docs, there are websites made just for converting files. These websites are called online converters. They're super easy to use. First, search for PDF to Word converter on the internet. Pick a website that looks trustworthy. Upload your PDF file. These websites will have a button that says something like Choose File or Upload. Click the Convert button. The website will do its magic. Finally, download your new Word document. Easy, right? Online converters are great for a quick conversion. Section 4. Picking the right tool for the job. Choosing the right tool can make a huge difference in your productivity and efficiency. Both Google Docs and online converters have their pros and cons. It's important to understand what each tool offers to make an informed decision. Google Docs is completely free. This makes it an attractive option for many users. You probably already have a Google account, which means you can start using Google Docs right away without any additional setup. Plus, it's easy to edit the converted document right away. The interface is user-friendly and familiar to most people. On the other hand, many websites offer online converter services. These can be very useful if you need more specialized features. Some online converters might have more features than Google Docs, such as batch processing or advanced formatting options. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your specific needs and the complexity of the task at hand. If you just need to convert a simple PDF and want to edit it right away, Google Docs is perfect. It's quick, easy, and free. But if your PDF is complex or you need extra features, try an online converter. These tools can offer more flexibility and advanced options to meet your needs. Section 5. Time to convert. Converting PDFs to Word documents doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these free tools, you can easily edit any PDF and make it your own, so go ahead, give it a try.